Hello and welcome back to industrialguideasia.com. My name is Orson. We are back at BITEC ProPak exhibition, and right now we are at HARN Engineering Solutions, where I'm going to have a representative to share with us the technology, the knowledge behind everything that they are doing. Welcome, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, so can you tell us about yourself and the company itself?
Our company is a HARN Engineering Solution. Right now we are a public company. We have many kinds of printer. First, we have dead code printer, but different technology: laser, inkjet, thermal printer, and we also have 3D printer. We have 3D printing solution. We have printer, 3D printer, 3D scanner, and software about 3D printer. We can do everything.
So can you tell us, when did the company start? Take us through the history of the company itself.
Talk about history of the company. It's like a long story. It starts from more than 50 years ago. At that time, it starts from HARN company. It's a company limited. But until last year, we have a product on hand like a refrigerator, file protection, dead code printer. We are like we try to do ourselves like a service provider of engineering product. Since December last year, we are public company already.
All right, so I see you've mentioned the 3D, very interesting technology. Can you explain to us how this technology works? Because I see really interesting products here. How does it work?
Yeah. Actually, there are many kinds of 3D printer. This Envision Tech from German is one kind of a good technology. It's called DLP technology. It can make the product like this, have a good surface, have good what is called precisely and sharpness. We can say that it may the good quality in terms of precisely size, surface, smooth surface, and good sharpness of surface. So we can use this printer for dental business, for jewelry, for hearing aids, or industry also. We can say that this kind of technology may be the top of can make the good product quality.
All right. In my understanding about like the industry 4.0, I believe like 3D printing, a lot of companies, I've seen that some companies going into the 3D printing. So how are you as HARN Engineering Solution try to stay different and stay in the industry?
Actually, even 3D printer entered the world market more than 10 years. However, it's quite new, especially in Thailand. But many companies use 3D printer for many years ago. But some may not know in detail that 3D printer have many technology of 3D printer. It makes quality, it's different quality of object. It depends on what the purpose that you need that subject. However, it can make piece by piece of a product or the goods that you need or wish to make it. But you have to you need file like a file in computer to print out. So we call it printer. Actually, some call it that additive manufacturing, but someone called printer because it can take file from computer and print it out. But it's have shape 3 dimension. It's not 2D, something like that.
All right. One final question. So, how are people responsive to this kind of technology? How is the industry in Southeast Asia?
Right now, because our company have we sell in Thailand.
How is it in Thailand?
Yeah. It's even it come many years ago, but it's still quite new. People interest, but may look. I mean, wait and see. Some just like someone may buy, but it's like the what is called like a first group that buy printer, but some may just do the file and hide some send it to the printing service bureau to make it something like that. However, our advantage of this product is we are 3D printing solution. We not sell only one product, so we sell like a solution, and we also service customer after sales. We have after sales service team for more than 50 years. We emphasis on the service also, not only sell the product, but we service and take care of our customer for long time. We are not new company. Yes, thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for your time, and thank you everyone for tuning in. That was a great insight about the company HARN Engineering Solutions. We're gonna move on to the next part of the other interviews in the other slots, and stay tuned. Goodbye.